of the same aquatic feature. Lots of vegetation, shallow water. This is an open bog, which means it's a quaking bog. It can still have some fresh water in the middle, but it has a natural acidity because of the amount of sphagnum moss inside of it, which makes it inhospitable to most other things. It's sort of a feedback cycle between the acid and the moss. The mosses give off acid, which makes it so that only moss can live there, so they give off a little more acid. And if there's no drainage, it'll have a much different pH than surrounding lakes. There is drainage here because of the Nippersink, and so there is some freshwater influx. So it's not quite the same as like the Volo bog you might go to is more isolated. But I wanted to point it out while we're up here because next time we'll be down in it. And so you don't get quite the same perspective when you're standing in something as you do when you're looking down on it. So just take a minute and that's where we're headed.